Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'll show you how to make pearl beaded ring. For this we need pearls. One is a round one which is very small, which is about 3 millimeter in diameter. The other one is rice bead like this. So this is about 6 mm in length, and the widest part is about 4 mm. We need clippers, or you can use scissors also. And this is monofilament line, which is a cord, and the number is M144, which is a very thin one. And we also need a needle. So I have put this monofilament line cord into a needle, which has to be very thin so that it goes through this. And I'm going to put a knot on the other side. Actually we have to put like 4 or 5 knots. So I'm going to clip the remaining part. So first I'll take the rice bead, then one of these round beads, one more rice bead, and one of these round beads. Okay, so I'll go back to the first rice bead at the back. So I go through again all the beads one by one in that order. Like this. So whenever I'm beading, you can see I'm also trying to pull a little bit to make it tighter. So I'll go through this. Yeah, so I will use this one again. So I have come out of rice bead. So I'm going to start with the round bead, then one rice bead, and then one round bead. As you can see, I started with 4 beads, and the next line I start from this bead, so it's considered as one already. So I have put 3 beads. So I go back to the other side of rice bead. So go through all the beads again and try to pull it a little bit like this to make it tighter. So I will show 2 more. So I have come out of the rice bead, so I'm going to put one round bead, then one rice bead, then again one round bead. So to the other side of the rice bead, then go through all the beads again. So I have put like 4 rice beads, 1 2 3 4. So I have taken the measurement of my middle finger, so I need about 16 rice beads to go around my finger. So I have made this using 16 rice beads. So I'm going to close this like this. So again I'm taking the needle and the cord, so go through the bead before this rice bead, so come out to the to the last bead. Okay, so I'm going to close this. So to close this I need one round bead, then come through the rice bead here. So I have one round bead, so go through the other rice bead like this. So I need one more round bead rather. So go through the other side of the first rice bead like this. So to go through again to make it tighter. So that's how it looks, but we will add some more round beads here. So I'll show you how to add. So I have come to this side through one of, let me go to the other side because it looks like it is loose. Okay, it is tight now. So I'll start with this small bead. So I have gone through the small bead here on one side. So this is considered as one bead, so I need 3 more beads to make a design here. So 1, 2, and 3. So I will go to the other side of this round bead on the back. So go through all the beads. Like this. So now this is considered as one square or one design. So to make the next one, I have 1 and 2, so I need only 2 beads here. 1 and 2. So I go through this bead to make the design. And I pull a little bit every time because to make it tighter. So I will go to the other side and show this again there, and then we have to complete this design all through and end it. So I have come to the other side also. So same design, same technique. First start with 3 beads. 1, 2, and 3. So go back to the same bead on the other side. From the back, go like this, Go through all the beads again. Yeah, they keep moving, but you will be fine after some practice. So as you can see, one is over. So for the second one, I have one. I have to go through the next bead here. Now I need 2 more beads to complete the design. I mean the round beads. Yeah, these are very small. It's not easy to put anyway inside the needle. And these are actually 3 mm in the diameter. So I'll go through again to all the beads. Oops. So like this I have to do all around, and then I will show you how to end here, same way here. So I have made this design all through on this side as well as this side. Now I am going to end. So each one is 4 beads, right? So 3 left here, so I have to use only one now to close it. So I've taken one and complete the design on this side. So I'll go through 2 times. So pull a little bit, then go to the other side through the rice bead. So I had to close here too. So come out of this bead. Now I'm closing with one more bead. So go through this to make the square design. So go through some more times. I'll go through the next one too. Okay, next one. Just to make it tighter. So I'll come to the other side through rice bead. Yeah, now I'm going to end it. So by making 2 knots. So go through this and loop it up. So go through between the round beads and loop it up. So I put 2 knots. So now I can clip it. So this is how it looks. The completed ring. You can see a line of rice beads, and on both sides you can see design made with round beads. Now I'll show you how it looks when it is worn. I'm wearing on my middle finger. Just slide it in. This is how it looks outside and inside. Thanks for watching.